So I recently got a request from a subscriber to show how I keep all of my planners organized. So I wanted to get this cart from Ikea for a while now, and they just opened Ikea about 15 minutes away from my house. I didn't want to drive an hour and a half away, so I was waiting on them to open it. But this is how my desk area looked at first, and so that is why I waited until now to do this review, because I had my eye on this cart and I'm cheap and I didn't want to pay for shipping. So yeah, this is how I store all of my stationery, my journals, pens, pretty much just everything that's stationery. So I'm going to tell you guys all of the details. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So I purchased this cart from Ikea. I think it is pronounced RASKOG. RASKOG. I'm pretty sure I'm pronouncing that incorrectly. It does retail for about $24.95, I think. And I did get the cream beige off-white looking color. This is how the box looks, in case you are wondering and you want to go to Ikea to purchase it. When you open it up, you do get 3 trays. Again, I did get the off-white color, but I did decide to spray the legs of the cart a gold color just because I wanted to customize it. I have seen people do like pink. I've seen people do baby blue, green. You can pretty much spray paint the cart whatever color you would like. Right now at the moment they do have this cream color, they have a black color and a burnt orange. To my understanding, they change the colors every year, so I do think I'm going to go back and get another one just in case they don't bring this color back. So I had my husband put this together because I just don't like to put anything together. But it was really easy to assemble, and it does come with the directions like you saw. Once I got it assembled, then I went ahead and put all of my things on here. So starting off at the top, I have my planners. This is my everyday planner right here. So I have this right here first, and I can just grab it whenever I need to write something down or look at something. I have my recipe book right here. I have some other journals as well. This is a journal. This is my Webster Pages planner, but I'm not using it right now. So this is one that I was using last summer. I think I was using this one, and I'm not using it now. But I have a bullet journal, another journal that I like to write some of my prayers in, another journal, a recollections planner. This is an old planner, so I just put some inserts, the old inserts that I wrote on, I put those in here. I have both of my Kate Spade planners up here. And then I have another journal, and then my fitness planner. This is the one that I'm currently using for the new year, so I have that one up here as well. And then I have 2 other ones that I had purchased, I think last year and last summer. They are old, but I still just have them up here. And then I have my prayer journals that I write in every day. And then on this side, as of right now, I just have a bucket. I got this from Target, I think. But I have just some pens and a highlighter in here. And then I have my Bible, the book that I am currently reading right now. I have just 2 other small notebooks in my iPad that I need to charge. So that's pretty much everything that I have on this first. I have 3 pen holders down here that I need to organize, but as of right now I just threw everything in there. I have my calculator that I use when I'm doing my budgeting for the month. I also have a hole puncher. I found this organizer at Aldi's about 1.5 years ago. They had them on sale for like $3, so I purchased this, and right now I just have like some post-it notes in here, whiteout, stapler, tape, and clips, staples, and pencil sharpener. Just random stuff that I happen to reach for every once in a while. This is my washi tape that I have. I really don't reach for washi tape that often, but every once in a while when I'm in the mood to do a little extra, then you know I do have it available. So on this third tray I have some envelopes. I have some stationery cards that I got out of the dollar spot at Target, and just some of my project life cards that I stick into my happy planner, to do notepad. Again, just random stationery that I like to get when I go to Target. I always look over there and just see what they have new, and then I'll just put it in here. I have some sticker books back here. Actually, I'm going to try to get rid of the actual books and file them according to what's in each one. So for instance, I got these little file things from Dollar Tree, and I just like the all black ones. I like to keep it simple. But in this one I have, as you can see, dates, numbers, holiday stuff, and letters. So that's what I'm gonna keep in here. And then again, I'm gonna go through whenever I find the time. It's not really important at this moment, but I'm gonna go ahead and go through all of my sticker books and try to file them. These are empty, but yeah, that's the goal. One day when I'm not doing anything, that's what I'll do. And then when you turn it around to the back side, I just have some of my happy planner insert pages, dividers, more of the sheets, and I have them on this little thing that I purchased from Dollar Tree. It's like a little file thing, real simple. Mostly everything I got is from Dollar Tree, and as of right now, I mean, I love the setup of this cart. I think it's really simple and everything is organized. Everything has a space. So that is it when it comes to my small space desk organization. I wanted to come and show you guys a really inexpensive way to organize any small space in your home. I absolutely love this cart. I cannot stress that enough. Like, my desk area looks so much better, and all of that stuff is on that cart. Everything that you've seen spread all around the desk is now on that cart, so it holds a nice amount of stuff. So I'll go ahead and leave the link to it down below for you. You can order it from Ikea.com. I recommend just going into the store to purchase it if you can. Leave me some ideas down below if you want to see other videos like this. Give me a thumbs up if it was helpful, and I'll talk to you guys later on my next video. Bye.